problems with a lot of modern houses. They try and seal them, and you get this awful sort of sick building syndrome.
Sick building syndrome is caused by the materials in our houses. These materials are made of all kinds of chemicals, which we breathe and touch continually, making us sick, even though we may have no idea why.
Industrial hemp with hydrated lime, I now believe that it's the world's healthiest material that we can use for problems with standard insulation and drywall issues that cannot be overcome. And the hempcrete wall replaces both of them. Between the breathability and the content of the lime, keeps that wall from ever having mold.
Look at the range
or
of materials
growth
out there. I cannot find one to match hemp.
Once it's built into the building, it's fire resistant, it is a good thermal resistance, and it's good for the living environment. There's a drive in the UK and in Europe to reduce carbon emissions in construction, and construction contributes well over half of all carbon emissions. The actual building of a building is 9% of the carbon emissions. The running of a building is 42% of the carbon emissions globally. So if we can reduce the carbon emissions in the building, and if we can reduce the carbon emissions in the running of the house, we're going to make a very significant contribution to carbon reduction in the UK and
the hemp house,
worldwide.
in any style you wish. It can look like a very organic, natural shape, or it can be very square and straight lines and very functional as what most people would expect.